Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can up the privacy level on your Facebook page. So let's dive in. Okay, so on the right hand side, you'll see there's a profile picture. Now this is a page. This is not my personal profile. This is a page. So make sure that you can see the profile picture or the name of the page, which is at the top and not underneath over here. Okay, so it must be selected like this. What we want to do is go to settings and privacy, and we want to go and click on settings. On the left hand side, we will be able to see a few things. We're looking for audience and visibility, and as we go down over here, you can see it says how people can find and contact you. So over here, you want to make sure that this is all turned off. So it says allow search engines outside of Facebook to link your page. We want to say no. Allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. We want to say no. And then allow people to message your page. No. On the left hand side, once you've done this, we'll look for followers and public content. Here we can manage what our page visibility looks like. Okay, so the very important thing here is to try and select the most private option here. So who can follow my page? This is public. Okay, so this cannot be unselected. But if you go here and it says who can see my followers on my timeline, here we are going to be able to not change this option either. But as you go down here, you can actually go and change all the other options to only me. Okay, this means that this page will only be visible to you only, or in some cases you will be able to change it to only people that are currently following the page. All right, make sure that you're also going down here and you are making sure that there's country restrictions, age restrictions, and also perhaps hiding posts and comments with profanity or certain words. And then also it says enable previews when your public group posts are shared outside of Facebook. You want to turn this off as well. So this will basically change all of your settings within this Facebook page to as private as it could possibly be.